Hi everyone, welcome to Umkosi noMagajane. I am uMagajane. Umkosi wethu wanamhlanje bazala bakamzitho, it's about Uthando Nesithembu season 7 episode 8. We know almost Thursday is for almost some select. Thursday for Uthando Nesithembu. So guys, we know I've watched the season 7 episode 8 and the guys bongana isikhathi singakungaphandle lokuthi manje I feel or I understand ukuthi uMacele ubuyaphi. If you've watched the episode you understand ukuthi why Macele manje akwade kangaka for uMakhumalo, because uMacele baka aphume nomangwabe, of which I feel is something nabo kumele ayenze la kuMakhumalo, bakaphume nomangwabe ayenze ukuthi uMangwabe understand ukuthi no, I won't attend umshado wakho because of ithembiso mina noma uSamsele sazenza ziyi-2. And guys, if I don't see ukuthi I don't feel as if Macele wrong ukuthi anga-attend umshado kaMakhumalo. The only thing I feel as if wrong is because bokumele ahlase uMakhumalo amchaze ukuthi lalela ke, since umyeni wakho angazange akutshele le way ihamba kanje le way, mina nomyeni wami savumelana ukuthi sathi 20 years uyashada akashadi, uyalobola akalobola, I won't attend that thing. The fact ukuthi uthi she won't attend, mina ngifila ngathi futhi kungcono ngoba omnye unkosikazi bakazi ukuthi no, angivumi lo emshado lo, you understand. The fact ukuthi uyavuma ukuthi ungashada uma ufuna ukushada ungayenzani, but mina ungangibali lapho, that means mina ngisayingeni, you understand. And ufeel as if uMakhumalo uyamdelela makathi or akamboni makathi do you recognize umshado wami, of which mhlambe bokumele ambuza or imena ambuze ngayo maybe wrong. And nami makayikhuluma sengiyayibona ukuthi uMacele she's right man. uMakhumalo man, uMakhumalo ngathi akayazi indawo yakhe kule family, but ke guys asikho lapha, I know nizothi angimfuni uMakhumalo kodwa izinto azenzayo lately I don't know whether ungenwa ifame or kanjani, understand uMakhumalo ngakula malanga uyenza uhamba kanjani way yakhe. Okay, beka explain that thing. And she also explained ukuthi into emzwisa ubuhlungu ukuthi uMakhumalo uthi yena uyi-attendile imicimbi yakaqele free, and Macele uthi yena makabamema bekamema just because bangama sister wives nje bawumndeni. Okay fine, vele noma ngabe ningashare indoda mawugane mhlambe lese ugane kaGajeni, mangabe sabo sisi sonke sigane nabo nama brothers, mangenza umsebenzi ekhaya makunento ngizonimema ngithi noma ngabashadanga nendoda eyi-1. So yena bekabamema since bayifamily, abamema komunye umndeni wakhe, umndeni wakubo, you understand. So yena bakangazi ukuthi bokumele abhadale uMakhumalo, but yabona makasho kanjalo I felt it, angifuni ugcama amanga. Even if bokuyimi angifuni ugcama amanga, bengizomtshela ngicela send invoice usho ukuthi uchacha malini ngibhadale imali yakho, bengizombhadala. And believe me bongeke ngiphinde ngimeme entweni zasekhaya, and anga-expect ukuthi nami entweni zakubo bengingengi, because if uzosho national TV ukuthi wena you attended into zasekhaya then mina zange ngabhadala, you act as if ekhaya thina we are poor, you understand. And you know umuntu futhi makasho into wena knowing mhlambe ukuthi kini animanga kahle ihlala enhlizweni ngenye indlela. But bazala bamzitho, you can comment down below and please don't forget to like, please comment guys usho ukuthi wena ibona kanjani episode ayizolo, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and hit that notification button. Nginithanda ukuya nokubuya.